All right, guys, this is Dan here in Phoenix, Arizona again. I bought this 2013 Ford Econoline e250 from Pennsylvania on the auction. Big mistake. Never buy anything out of state that you can't see, you can't drive, or especially you can't drive it. So yeah, I bought this thing, and this thing had pay for shipping. Bought the auction. The auction doesn't say anything about there's a noise, there's knocking, or a cricket, or any kind of sound. The motor said runs and drives good. And as soon as I got here, I paid the shipping company. The guy start the van. Big old loud knocking noise. Loud noise on the bottom of the engine. It's like, oh man, I just bought something bad already. I bought something really bad. So I'm probably end up replacing the motor. That's what happened. Something happened in the bottom of the motor. So I don't know what's going on, but I can explain everything in 60 seconds. But I bought another motor here, and for $600, everybody wants $2,800. I got this for $600. Really good deal here in Phoenix, Arizona, and I hope it's really good. And I'm gonna put it in.